So today I'd like to share with you how to save zucchini squash seeds. So the first step is to start with an open pollinated seed. And zucchini are in the squash family and will cross-pollinate with many other plants in the squash family. So squash and pumpkins are pollinated by insects, or you can hand pollinate. So if you're wanting to save seed that is true to the parent zucchini, you're going to want to hand pollinate or only let one variety of pumpkin or squash bloom in the garden. So the isolation distance is 1/2 mile between varieties if you let them insect pollinate. Now to hand pollinate, in the evening select a male flower. These are the flowers without the fruit on the stem, and a female flower that you want to hand pollinate. So these are the ones, the ones that have the fruit on them. So you're going to tape the flowers shut in the evening, and in the morning you're going to harvest the male flower, and you're going to remove the flower petals, and you're going to take the tape off the female flower, and you're going to rub the pollen from the male flower onto the female flower. But you don't want to pick the female flower. It needs to remain on the plant. So then you're going to cover the female blossom with a sack or tape it shut again. And once the flower falls off of the fruit, it is pollinated. And you can put a ribbon on this fruit so you can remember which one that you pollinated for seeds. So let the zucchini squash stay on the vine until the skin is hard enough that you can't dent it with your thumbnail. And it's going to be very, very big, almost 2 feet long and 4 to 5 inches around. So once the zucchini is ready to remove from the vine, you want to place it in a warm location out of the sun for about 3 weeks. Next, go ahead and cut it open and remove the seeds. So I like to put the seeds in a colander and then rinse the flesh and the sliminess off the seeds. And then next, place the colander on a towel to soak up some of the extra water. Now, once the water is out of the seeds, go ahead and place them 1 layer deep on a cookie sheet to finish out the drying process. Once dry, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And if you store them well, they should be viable for about 10 years. So it's best to grow out only one variety at a time to help prevent cross-pollination. So if you'd like to get some open pollinated garden seeds, you can find many garden varieties on our website, livingfarm.org/shop/pound-sign/seeds. And if you'd like to learn more about seed success, go ahead and jump on over to our YouTube channel and find the Seed Success playlist. I'll put that link in the description below.